Want to hear the most annoying sound in the world? I know this isn't from Dumb and Dumber, but this is Dumb and Dumber. Woo! Cold air intake. You could feel the power. You could feel it in the seat of your pants. I'd say this thing probably lost 20 horsepower by putting a cold air intake on it. Whatever. It sounds terrible too. Imagine having to listen to that every time you went to go past somebody. That would drive me insane. All it is a cold air intake. Nothing else. There's no exhaust. There's no other work done to this car. Just cold air intake. Whatever. Not my car. Have a great day.